Most traders are chasing tactics, new setups, fancy indicators, but the truth is, tactics don't save you when things go sideways. What you really need are principles, rules that hold up day after day, trade after trade, no matter what the market throws at you. This video is my attempt to document rules that help me survive the early grind, build a track record, and eventually launch a zero-DT hedge fund. These aren't theories, these are battle-tested tactics. If you're new here, my name is Mark Anderson. I'm a construction worker turned zero-DT hedge fund manager. I've sold over $50 million in zero-DT premium across over 1,000 consecutive market trading days. I'm not teaching this from the sidelines. I still trade every single day. Let's dive in. Rule 1. If you can't explain the trade in 10 seconds, don't place it. Simplicity beats complexity. If it takes a paragraph to explain, you don't understand it. The edge is in mastering a few simple things and repeating them at size that lets the edge compound over time. Clarity leads to confidence. Complexity kills execution. Rule 2. If you're bored, you're doing it right. Great trading is repetitive. The real money comes from doing the same thing the same way every day. P&L loves boring. Your ego doesn't. Rule 3. If you're hesitant to press the trade button, you're too big or you don't believe in your edge. Conviction looks like confidence in pressing the repeat button. If you're hesitating, that's a sign. Either your size is too large or your system isn't proven. Rule 4. If you didn't backtest it, you didn't build it. Ideals feel smart until data proves otherwise. Backtesting gives you the blueprint. Forward testing gives you the belief. Rule 5. No playbook, no entry. You should sit down already knowing what to look for, what to avoid, and how you'll respond when either shows up. Otherwise, you're just reacting. Rule 6. Trade your close game, not someone else's highlights. What works for me might ruin you. Twitter threads and YouTube videos are not trading plans. Use them for inspiration, not execution. Rule 7. You're a risk manager first, asset allocator second, profit seeker third. Your job isn't to make money today. It's to stay in the game long enough for your edge to compound over time. Rule 8. If you're adjusting based on feeling, pause. Your emotions are loud. Your process should be louder. Rule 9. If you don't know where it breaks, it's already broken. Every trade has a failure point. If you haven't defined it, the trade is running you. Rule 10. If you feel rushed, don't trade. Urgency is a red flag. When in doubt, sit it out. Rule 11. If the spread's too tight or the leverage is too high, it's a trap. Everyone wants tighter spreads, higher win rates, and bigger returns. But wide spreads give you breathing room, and aggressive sizing magnifies that. Drawdowns get bigger, and it magnifies your gains. Size responsibly. Rule 12. More strategies equals more problems. You don't need 7 different types of systems. You need one that works and the discipline to repeat it over time. This usually makes me think of Tony Robbins when he says that if you're struggling to figure out how to raise one kid, do you think that the answer is to have 3 more? If you're struggling with one strategy, the solution isn't adding 3 more. Master one before you multiply your convexity. Rule 13. Drawdowns are not death sentences. They're tuition. Every system has a cost. If you've done the work, you'll know where to hold and where to walk away. Step 14. Stop losses shouldn't be emotional. They should be mechanical, tested, and part of the plan. If you're setting stops after a bad trade, you're already behind. Rule 15. No system survives without a log. If you're not journaling your trades, you're not improving. Data builds conviction, memory builds stories. Rule 16. If the risk is unknowable, pass. Event volatility, binary outcomes, Fed days. If you can't quantify the risk or that slippage could be significantly larger, don't guess. Rule 17. Trade less, review more. The breakthroughs don't come from placing more trades. They come from stepping back, reviewing your data, and refining your edge. Rule 18. The best edge is emotional stability. Systems fail, markets shift, but if you stay calm while others panic, that's the real alpha. Rule 19. If you can't take time off, you're not free. Build a system that works without you constantly micromanaging it. Otherwise, you've built a job, not a strategy. Rule 20. You're the risk. The market is the chaos. But you're the variable that matters most. Audit yourself more than you audit your charts. Rule 21. Play the long game. Most traders try to get rich fast. The pros try to get not poor. Consistency over fireworks. Rule 22. Run your trading like a business, and run that business like you're either going to sell it tomorrow or keep it forever. Process, profitability, repeatability, that's what scales. Rule 23. Your edge is a leaky bucket. Every system decays, not from failure, but from entropy. Your job is to plug leaks, refine processes, and innovate methodology alongside smart people. The edge compounds, but only if you maintain it. And if any of these trading rules helped you shift your thinking, do me a favor and share this video. Send it to a trader in your life who you think is trying to figure the game out. I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay rational and stay in the game.